Hello, this is Julie. Today we're going to do something in Cricut Design Space, New Explore. I'd like to answer a question that someone asked on the Facebook page about how to turn in a layered paper piecing, and was that possible? It is possible using Design Space. So the first thing we need to do is add text. So we're going to click on the T on the left side of the screen and then type the letter that we want to use. And I want to use the letter E from a is type that E. And I'm going to do a capital E. I have the text typed. Then I'm going to go to the edit window and select the font. Will change to the image in that particular font that I select. So I need to click on edit, the particular font that I'm going to use. I'm using Firefox because the fonts don't work in Chrome. I'll scroll down because when I type the name of the font in here it doesn't work. But I should be able to scroll down and find the font. Select all fonts and just find my fonts that are on my system, but that also doesn't work for me. So I'm going to go down to the G's and find Garanimals. If you don't have the Garanimals font, you can download it for free from dafont, dafont.com, and then you'll be able to make this project as well. I'm using the elephant from that font, which is the letter E. And it's this one with these animals in here. These should turn into characters. And the system seems to be very slow right now, but it did work. So I've got two elephants because I typed two E's, and that's fine. I'm going to right click and select ungroup so that they'll each be their own images. And we actually need one shape for each color that we're going to be working on. I'm going to make these a little bigger so that we can see what we're doing. To make them bigger, you can select one of the corners and drag it out, or you can actually type in a size that you would like by going to the edit window and typing in a height or a width. Let's say we'd like a height, specific height of 4 inches. I'll type 4 and press enter. And as long as the lock icon is closed here, they should resize proportionally. Well, that's pretty big. Don't think I need them quite that big. Maybe I'll just zoom. So we have two of these, and I really need one more. So I'll click on with these selected, I'm going to click on duplicate, and that will probably give me 4 now. I'm not sure what was selected, but I just really need 3. You need one shape for each color that you want to end up with, and I need to have 3 elephants because I'm going to have 3 colors. I need 5 copies to work with. I'm going to use one color for the background, and I'm going to use one color for the face, and I'll use another color for the ears. To do this, we'll work on one section at a time. I'm going to click on the contour tool with this first elephant selected. And what I want to save is the background, so I'm going to click on all the parts that are not the background. I'm going to click on the ear, and on the eye, and the eye, little snout, and then the face, and then I'll click on the other ear. And what that'll give me is just the background that I need. And I should be able to hide that if it gets in my way, which it is. It's very slow to move right now. You can hide these by clicking on the eye icon, so I'm going to click on that first one since I'm done with it, and I will hide it, and I'll be ready for the second one. On this one, I would like to keep the face. So when I click on the contour, I'll get rid of the outline and the ear and the other ear, and then click away from it, and I should have just the face. Like I didn't quite get rid of, oh I did. Okay, so I have just the face there. I'm going to click on the eye icon to hide that face, and now the one left for me to do is the ears. So I'm going to select the whole shape and click on the contour tool on the layers palette, and this time I'm going to click on everything except the ears. So there's the outline and the face, and I need to get rid of the nose and each of the eyes. That should leave just the ears if I did everything. There we go, we have the ears. So now I'm going to click on the layer with the ears so I can change the color. I would like the ears to be kind of pink. So you can select a color up here, and then you can click on this box here to select the shade or intensity that you want. That looks good. And for the face, I think I will do a shade of blue, and I'll show that layer so we can see it. Maybe make that, oh, it changed my ears to blue. Okay, change the face now to a lighter blue. Let me see if I can go back to the ears and make them pink again. And all of these are going to be cut lines, so I'm not going to be drawing anything. So I'm going to try to make this pink again. It's very slow tonight. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to do the elephant face once it's selected. And I want a cut line. Then I want it to be blue. And then on the, I got to show the background, and I would like that one to be gray. And I'm going to arrange this so that this background goes to the back. And now we have the face in the middle. I'll make it a lighter color, blue. Oh, so it's doing the ears, the blue. And we'll try doing the face. So if you want, you can stack them up to see how they're going to look. It doesn't matter though, because when you click on the Go button, each color is going to go to its own and it would be ready to cut. So when we click on Go, that color is one for the face, one for the background, and one for the ears. Now we've got this whole project quite. Probably I will select it all. Control A should select everything, and go to Edit and make this a bit smaller. Let's see, we'll make the width maybe 6 inches. And press Enter, and the project should resize a little bit better for cutting. We click on Go. Each color will go to its own mat. So now we see the mats showing up here. the mat will turn the color of the image that I have on the screen. And the pieces automatically move up to the upper left corner of the mat. They can be moved elsewhere, they don't have to stay there. So we have the face here. If we click on the second mat, we'll see the background on the gray, and then we have the pink ears. So after we get these all cut, then we can layer all three pieces, just glue them on the mat exactly where we want them to be, and we'll be done. So I hope this has been helpful.